Hey everybody, welcome back to week 5. Mr. Holmes here, going to drop one video for you this week. All right, it's the only video you have for me to watch. Going to go with intro and then talk about your project all together now. Okay, so this week what you're doing is you're doing the second part of abstracting still life, and you have a ed puzzle to watch called The Case for Surrealism. All right, those are your two things you're doing. Let's talk about your project, the abstract and still life, week 2. So we should have already turned this in, right? So we turned that part in. Oh, okay. We recreated a still life last week. We slightly made the image more abstract last week. Then we went ahead and turned in our more or most abstract image, right? But that's not where it ends. This week we're also turning in our step number 4, which is a very abstract. I want it more design oriented. The objects should be hardly recognizable. Okay, so yeah, those original 5 objects from your still life, I don't really want to be able to know what they are anymore at this point, okay? I want about 45 minutes on this, although the more abstract they get, I understand the faster we do them. So just go ahead and put your effort into it and see how long it takes you, but put some good time into it. And then you're doing step 5, which is not objective. If we remember from last week, our abstract continuum, we have abstract art on one side and then non-objective on the other, or we have realism on one side and non-objective on the other side. This is non-objective. That's what we're going for step 5 here. The image should be fully flattened. I should not recognize what any objects are or shapes or anything. Like it is just shapes and flat image. So do another example here. So the original still life, slightly abstracted, more abstract, right? These are the 3 you saw last week. Takes this image, very abstract, gets kind of crazy. Lines become looser, values become more dynamic, stronger tones. Then the non-objective, again, just this is squiggles and values on a page, right? That's what you're gonna go for. And then this one, this one was mine. I drew this up real quick. Actually, not real quick. I wish I was better at real still life. So anyway, that's my still life recreation, my abstract, more abstract. The image is losing in itself. And then this is the new stuff for you. Very abstract. It gets more interesting, in my opinion. The objects are, you're losing it. Image is flattening. Lines are cutting across the whole image. It's all becoming one. And then non-objective. It's just the bare bones. It's basics. It's flat now, right? And now, so what I'm showing you this one for is because there's part 6, which we haven't shown for the other examples, and that is the final step. Is you're going to go ahead and take one of your drawings from steps 2 through 5, so 2, 3, 4, or 5, and you're going to go ahead and spend another 30 to 40 minutes on it by either adding color or by adding more detail. Okay. Uh, as you can see here, I did my non-objective step, and I just added color to it, and it kind of makes it visually appealing for me. I like the colors, and the shapes kind of just make me happy. And I chose bright colors because I like that in abstract art. So that's my non-objective color piece, and this is what yours can look like too, of course. Uh, I recommend adding color. I think it'll be faster for you. I know you have a lot of work on your plate already, so add some color to one of your more abstracted pieces, and I'm excited to see what you come up with. So that is the final step for the project this week. What you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and turn it in on this document. All right. So step 4 says 45 minutes. Go ahead and insert it there. Step 5, and then lastly here, do the one with the color or more detail, whatever your choice is. Okay. All right, everybody. If you have any questions, you know how to contact me. Message me on Schoology or email me, and I will see you in class this week. Take it easy.